Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to make pizza at home. We need these mentioned ingredients for our recipe: maida, oil, dry yeast, you can use sponge yeast as well, warm water and salt. For pizza toppings, you need cheese, sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, pineapples which is optional, cubed paneer and sliced capsicums. For seasoning, take finely chopped red chilies, tomato sauce for pizza base. To prepare the pizza base, we need to add yeast to warm water and stir well till it gets dissolved. Let the solution rest for 10 minutes. Then add a pinch of salt to the bowl with maida and give a mix. Add the yeast solution to the bowl and start to combine. When you find the dough is getting stick to the bowl, add more flour as required and knead for a couple of minutes. Now add oil to the dough for texture and then add flour as required. Knead for another 5 minutes or until a smooth ball forms. I have done it by my hands. If you have a dough mixer, then you can use it as well. Take a plate and add few drops of oil to grease the plate. Then place the dough at the plate and roll to coat it with the oil. Then cover the dough tightly with a lid and set it aside to rise for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, punch down the raisin dough to release air bubbles. Then sprinkle the surface with flour and divide it into two. Take one of the dough balls and roll it between your palms to make it round and smooth. Press the round dough ball and flatten it slightly. Then start rolling the dough gently using a rolling board and rolling pin to give a circular shape. Roll it until you have a 6 to 8 inch diameter circular base. The base should be little thick and fluffy and make sure the edges are not too thin. Don't roll too much. The pizza base is ready. Now to prepare the pizza, grease a microwave safe plate or pizza pan with few drops of oil. Place the circular pizza base in the pizza pan. Spread the tomato sauce evenly on the pizza base with a spoon. Now add pizza toppings as sliced capsicums, tomatoes and onions. You can select the pizza toppings as per your own choices. Add cubed paneer, and if you want to make a non-veg pizza, then you can add chicken instead of paneer. Sprinkle little salt to taste. I added pineapple cubes because I like it, but this is absolutely optional. Now add grated or sliced cheese as much as you like on the top of your pizza. This is ready to bake. Bake the pizza in microwave for 5 to 6 minutes until the cheese melts and the pizza smell comes out. Also, you need to check that the crust is cooked properly or not. See, the pizza is ready, cheese is melted and the crust is also baked. For seasoning, sprinkle some chili flakes on the top. You can also add oregano. The crust is soft and it smells exactly like Domino's pizza. Serve the pizza hot and grab a slice. Enjoy! You all must try this recipe at home, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and like. Thank you for watching.